القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
Salam Alykum. Be sure to download your free implementation workbook. We go through it step by step. All the videos correspond with it. We have laid it out very strategically so you can master Quranic Tajweed and Quranic Mastery and implement it while you go along. Okay, so be sure to download this and it will help you on your journey. It's free to download. The link should be in the description. Salam Alykum.
Alhamdulillah wa kafa wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah. Welcome to this lesson on Al-Ishmaam. Al-Ishmaam is a rule that we have learnt previously. We have learnt it with the word La ta'manna. And as you can see, there's visual aid is needed because in Al-Ishmaam is about a visual representation of the Dhamma. So we have already seen this. The definition is the circling of the lips in preparation of a Dhamma without sounding the Dhamma. So we have already seen the occurrence of Al-Ishmaam in the word La ta'manna from Surah Yusuf. This is the only case when Ishmaam is read in the middle of a word. So this is the only case when Al-Ishmaam is read in the middle of a word in Hafs and Asim. In other qira'at, there is Al-Ishmaam in other letters, in other words, but in Hafs and Asim, it's only in this word. So the Al-Ishmaam only applies to the endings which have a Dhamma or Dhammatain as the last haraka. So the Dhamma or the Dhammatain as the last haraka. Both of the examples above here, as we can see, can be read with Al-Ishmaam. And again, Ishmaam cannot be heard but can only be seen on the reciter's lips. So let's have a look at these examples. And these examples we will be reading like this. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم إنه هو السميع العليم إنه هو السميع العليم. And here إن ربك عليم حكيم إن ربك عليم حكيم. We would stop here. Now, with specific regards to this meme, the meme has the sifa of tawassut. When we are stopping on it, then the sound continues for a very short time. So when we are reading with tawassut, we have to ensure that we are doing the tawassut of the meme, and then we are doing the circling of the lips of the Al-Ishmaam. So instead of saying Inna Rabbaka Alimun Hakim, that's too short. We will do Inna Rabbaka Alimun Hakim. So the meme continued for the tawassut sound, for the tawassut length, and then it changed to the Dhamma. This can also be applied. So for example, these both examples have meme, and let's have a look at example on Noon. In Surah Al-Fatiha we have إِيَّاكَ نَعْبُدُ وَإِيَّاكَ نَسْتَعِينُ إِيَّاكَ نَسْتَعِينُ وَإِيَّاكَ نَسْتَعِينُ. So any ayah or any stopping point which ends with the Dhamma, it can normally have Al-Ishmaam. So in regards to Mad Adad al-Sukun, the Mad can be lengthened for any of the lengthenings, either Qasr, Tawassut or Tul. So any of these could be going for 2 haraka, 4 haraka or 6 haraka, and we can either end with Mad Adad al-Sukun or we can end with the Al-Ishmaam. And the reason why we can do Al-Ishmaam is because unlike Ar-Ram we were reading part of the haraka, but with Al-Ishmaam we are not reading actually anything, we are just circulating the lips to make the shape of the Dhamma, the round shape of the Dhamma. So I hope this helps with Al-Ishmaam. Again, this is something that even actually if a reciter is doing this, then you may not know if you're not looking at the reciter. You'll only know if you're looking at the reciter whether they are pronouncing Al-Ishmaam. And that's why it's very, very important. You can see from the example of Ar-Ram and Al-Ishmaam that you must know what the last haraka is on an ayah or a stopping point. Because if you know the last haraka there, then you know what to apply a rom or al-ishmam. So it's very, very important. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guide us and increase our knowledge in the ending of the haraka, what haraka appears there, and also how to stop at there.
If you enjoyed this video, guys, please like this video so we know you enjoy it, as we can make more. Please write a comment and tell us what you thought about the lesson. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now. Jazakallah. Salam Alykum.